Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate, I'm a little bit late, my weekly spread in my Passionate Penny Pincher home planner. This is my catch-all planner that I use for everything home related. So I'm going to use, and I know it's November, it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but I'm going to use Christmas stickers because I just can't help myself. So these are Farmhouse Christmas 2. These are available in my shop. Let me show you real quick. I have Farmhouse Christmas 1 that I think I released last year. These are back in my shop. So we have Farmhouse Christmas 1, and then of course these are on white paper, and then I'm using clear paper. This is Farmhouse Christmas 2. So they're not the same, but it's just something about the buffalo plaid that makes me think of farmhouse. So that's why I named them Farmhouse. So anyways, both of these are available in my shop, and I forgot to mention on my last video, I have a Black Friday sale going on right now. 40% off, no code needed through Black Friday. I will have a sale for Small Business Saturday, which is the Saturday following Black Friday, and Cyber Monday, but those discounts will not be 40%. So if you want to order from my shop and get Christmas stickers in time for Christmas and save 40% off, now's the time to do it. Okay, so anyways, let's see. I want to use some big stickers. Oh, and I've been using the colored printable. So I do have the Passionate Penny Pincher. I ordered the actual coil bound planner. I have a video of like my lineup because that's going to be my main catch-all planner for 2024. But I don't think I'm going to use it, y'all. I'm really leaning towards sticking with disc bound, simply because I love being able to pull my pages out. Like right now, it's so much easier to decorate when it's disc bound. Honest to goodness, trying to fight with a coil and decorate a planner spread is just, it's just too much for me. So I'm thinking, and I have the capability of doing this because of course I have 5 printers sitting in front of me. I have paper, I have ink, so I can print everything for myself. So they offer a black and white version, or you could just change the colored printable version to print in black and white or grayscale. So I think for 2024, I'm really leaning towards just using the printable version and using the black and white, simply because I like to decorate my spreads, and the colors on the page hinder, in my mind, with my OCD. And I'm not joking, I do have OCD, so don't come at me for that. But my perfectionism and my OCD will not allow me to have colors like on the page, because you can see, and I love her colors. I really love the colors in her planner. But let me show you the colors. So of course they don't match anything that I do. So yeah, I'm really thinking that for 2024, I'm going to stick with disc bound, and I'm going to just print them myself. And I probably will not print the whole planner. I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll feel really froggy one day and just go to town printing the whole 2024 planner. But when you purchase the printed version, you get the free printable version of the last quarter of 2023. So that's where I got these from. I can't remember if I got the whole printable version of 2024 or not, or if I need to purchase it. But anyways, I think I'm going to sell my coil bound. So if anybody wants to purchase the coil bound at a discount, mine has the scripture cover. And then I'm also probably going to sell my work planner one too that I just bought. But you know how that goes when you see something, FOMO. You see something planner related and you just have to have it. So I bought it because I wasn't sure if it was going to sell out, and I don't really think I'm going to use it. So anyways, okay, this is a whole new situation for me to learn how to decorate. So bear with me as I try to figure this out. I know on Wednesday, which is actually tomorrow because I'm filming this on Tuesday, November 14th. Tomorrow we have an orthodontist appointment. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to use boxes. Let me see how I decorated. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go with what I did last time. So I used my small sticker kit sheet. So I think that's what we're going to do here. So I think I'm going to put right over here we're going to put a box for the orthodontist appointment, which is at 2 o'clock tomorrow. Uh-oh. All right, and then I think I'm just going to take a little mini something. I'm going to take a little gold bow and put right on top of this box. Look how cute that is. I love it. All right, and then, so I don't think I have anything else this week. Let me just look. I mean, I have like work stuff to do, but not home stuff to do. So I'm just going to put a couple little random boxes. Random boxes never hurt anybody. So we're going to put a little random box here. Decorate around it. I think, what do I want to use here? I might just put a little stocking beside it. Let's see, how do I want to do this? This way, this way. I also want to, so I'm filming on the same day as, if you watched my little Christmas insert video, where I took a moment out of the end of the video to show a comment that was, and it was just a simple little curse word. But the sweet life of a planner girl, I think. If you're watching this, I apologize for maybe getting a little bit snippy about your comment, but I just want to explain myself. So I've talked about this in some of my other videos about how I tend to dwell on negative things. And so when someone leaves a comment that I perceive as negative or snarky, I tend to dwell on those things. And so something that I'm trying to change about myself is not dwelling on those things. So the easiest way for me to not dwell on negative things, and I certainly do not want a bunch of arguments in my comment section. There's other channels that would love to entertain that. But the easiest way for me to handle that is to just delete. So I apologize. I deleted your comment for a reason, and the reason is because I do not want to dwell on any of the negative. Because that is something that I'm trying to work on for myself, because I am so guilty of when something negative happens, that's all I see, that's all I think about, and I'm over it. I'm tired of it. I'm over it. I don't want to do it anymore. So I actually, and I've been doing this for a long time. I say this a lot on my channel. If you have nothing nice to say, go to another channel to say it. Don't say it on my channel. Because I'm going to delete it. I'm not going to reply. I'm not going to entertain. No offense to you, because we all have bad days and we all think negative things. I just don't want it here. I don't want it here because it bothers me. And I think about it and I dwell on it. And then my mind starts telling me lies that, you know, oh, well, this, that, and the other. So anyways, I apologize. It was nothing like directed towards you, at you, other than the fact that you made the comment. So I love you. I'm trying to protect my mind. So yeah. All right, I'm going to hang another little stocking over here. So what do y'all think about my new budget envelopes? I told y'all they were going to be expensive, and I ain't got no orders yet, but my feelings are not hurt. I love y'all, I do. But those things are a royal pain to make. They cost a lot of money. I don't think everyone realizes how much money goes into having all of these supplies on hand. My printers, my cutters. I have 6 Cricuts. I have 5 printers. I have a desktop, a laptop, 2 iPads, like an Apple Pencil. I have to use all these things to make all of my products. So yeah, I'm not Amazon, you know, like, so I knew that I probably wasn't going to get many orders, if any orders. And I said that my feelings would not be hurt at all. And they're not, I promise. Just simply because those envelopes are not fun to make. I'm going to hang a couple stockings from up here. How cute is this going to be? But I do have other, like, options as far as budget things like printables and things like that. If you want to do like print your own envelopes, print and cut your own envelopes. But I've had several people message me and say that they have actually printed and cut their own envelopes, and that's something they wouldn't wish on their worst enemy. So they feel my pain. They know how big of a pain it is, and it literally takes hours to do, to print and cut and laminate and all of that fun stuff. So I can't just give that stuff away, you know. So, and it's all custom. If you want, you know, the stuff that I make, it's custom, so you can get it done your way. I already have some of this open somewhere. So yeah, so anyways, I mean, I love them. I think the envelopes are just super cute, but I do understand that they are expensive. So, like I said, my feelings aren't hurt if I don't sell any. At this point, I'd rather print and cut stickers than print and cut and laminate budget envelopes. Okay, so we're going to finish this spread with some washi and be done with it. So I'm just going to use my black and white buffalo plaid. And let's see, I think I'm going to put some down there at the bottom, and then I think I'm just going to put a little bit up at the top. I kind of wish, like, this one is ripped. I kind of wish this one was ripped, but it's hard to rip. Oh, there we go. It's hard to rip the little skinny pieces. All right, so I think this is really cute. It's simple. It's still very, I want to say usable, but that's probably not the right term. But I still have plenty of room to write and everything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. Let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. Let's see. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you use the Passionate Penny Pincher, the Prayerful Planner, or the Happy Planner, and you want to see more videos like this, more content related to those planners, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So that is it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.